Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Young Mommy TV. So guys, I want you to unbox my new washing machine. So as you can see, this place is an underground in our apartment. This is the place all the tenants put their washing machine. But unfortunately, some of the tenants have their washing machine inside their room. We have only one person, which is my neighbor. Our washing machine is here, but the rest of the tenants, they are not putting their washing machine here, it's in their room. So guys, I want to show you what I bought in Poco online shopping. So inbox my washing machine with me. Okay, let me show you how it look like, guys. So this is how the washing machine look like. Let me put on the light so you can see it very well. Yeah. So this place is the rope where you can sew your clothes, but I have mine in my apartment. So this is the washing machine. This is the energy, is A plus. The product is Poco and 1 to 6 kilo. So this is the inside of the washing machine. As you can see, the washing machine is very big. This is the control button. Maybe you can take it to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 30. So this is the button. This is the start pause button. So I don't know. This is the button. Maybe you want to lock it. So this place is where you will put your soap. You can put your jig here. You can put your soap here. So this is the drawer. All this inside. This is some instrument you use to fix the washing machine. This is the manual about the washing machine. This is the pipe. This pipe is the one that will be giving you water, and we're taking out water. So I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this too. So we are going to wait for the person that is going to fix the machine for us. Okay, this is inside. It's a brand new washing machine, and the roads 2 years guarantee. This is the number you are going to call, and the recommended area or linen for me to wash. So guys, this is what I have to show you. I hope you like this video. Please, today is your first time of watching my channel. Please subscribe, like and share, and I promise to give you another amazing vlog. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye.